Hey guys, Jason here. Where am I at? Magical place, Stone Brewing in Escondido, California, and I'm enjoying myself way too much here. Way too much. But one I'm tasting right now is the collaboration beer, and I'll tell you what that is. It's Brewdog and Stone, and this is the Bashah, and it is amazing. Lots of vanilla and chocolate in the nose, and you can see how dark the sucker is. There's no light, none, no light getting through here. First thing that comes to mind is chocolate biscotti. It's got a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of chocolate right off the bat, and then you have this really big Coca-Cola carbonation that is there. And it finishes with a nice espresso kind of bite, and it hangs with a little bit of vanilla, kind of a vanilla kind of feel to it. So you get that espresso feel, and then you get that like end of that vanilla. Rare beer. Can't find this in Fresno, I guarantee it. This is awesome. This is Jason, Liquid Tie-Dye. Guys, have a good one. Thanks.